Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Omegle on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to use Omegle, then I'll show you how can you do it very easily. Just simply open any browser in your phone and here you have to search for Omegle. As you can see guys, just simply search for this. Now after that you will see this type of interface. Just simply tap on first one. Now as you can see guys, showing here omegle.com, talk to strangers. Now let me show you here, is showing here video or start a chat. If you want to video call on Omegle, just simply tap on video, and if you want to chat with someone, then just simply tap on start a chat option. So you can tap both of these, just simply tap on one of them, just simply check on both of these from here. Now tap on confirm and continue option. As you can see guys, showing here, when you tap on this, you will be able to see some people on Omegle and you can chat with them. If you want the video call, just simply tap on video, just simply check on both of these, just simply tap on confirm and continue, and you will be able to see some people and you can video call with them. Okay guys, so this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.